guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well on this Saturday evening. I just wanted to bring you a little update. So I've just received this software, Viddyoze, so I thought I'd come and share it with you, show you around, show you how easy it is to use. Excuse me. So yeah, this is Viddyoze. It's a cloud-based software to create videos with great animations. There's thousands and thousands to choose from. So what I'll do in this video is I'll show you how easy it is to create a video and then show you the end product and just go through the site in general. So as you can see, pretty simple site that you come onto when you log in, when you have your details. Everything is here. You have your latest templates, categories, filters, sort by. Everything's pretty well laid out. So if you look on the latest templates, I only got this yesterday, so I just started using it yesterday, and already I've made a couple of pretty good intro videos. If you want to check them out, you can check them out on my Facebook page, Mark Digital Marketer Read. If you like what you see there, please like the page and keep up to date with things that I'm doing. So as you can see, this is their latest templates. Every month they upload more templates. There's absolutely thousands here. At the moment, there's over 1,400 templates to choose from, and these are growing every month. They add new ones. So I mean, the kind of videos you can make on this software, if you're a starting out YouTuber, beginner to video creating videos and stuff like myself, I'm learning everything from scratch. This software is absolutely perfect for you. Very easy to use. I've already, like I said, I've already created two short videos already that I posted on my Facebook page. Before I forget, if you like this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, leave any comments, and I'll be sure to answer your questions. Anyway, so let's get started. So as you can see, this is their latest templates that they've added. If you hover over them, you can see what kind of video it's going to be. These are the logos for intros or outros or whatever you want to do. Also, I'll try and add some graphics into this video as well. So any graphics you see in this video is all being done with this software. So like I said, if you're a beginner YouTuber or you own a small video advertising business and you want to grow your business and make excellent looking videos to impress your clients, impress your viewers on YouTube, then I would highly recommend this product. So anyway, let's find a template and we'll get started. So we can filter by category, so we can go, let's go for live action. Now this is just a demo to show you how easy it is to create a video in less than 5 minutes. So then you just go through the templates, look for your template that you want. Let's see, beer glass, Expo. So, I mean, you can see there's absolutely loads of videos to choose from. I mean, for sure you're going to find something that you really like here. You're not going to be stuck for choice. You're not going to be trying to. The hard thing is it'll be deciding on which one to choose. I mean, they're all pretty awesome. Let's do this simple one here. So once you select your template, you just go to customize. Page will load up. As you can see, it's very simple, very basic. Then you just go down to customize this video. And here you can just upload your own images. So let's do that now. So you choose one of your own images choose this one. That's it, simple. File is uploaded and you just go to the next step. Include audio, we'll do that, and it will give you a live preview of your video. There you go, like that. Simple, couldn't be easier. If you don't know anything about making videos or anything, then this product is, I would definitely go check it out. So as you can see, your live preview of the video. It's very simple. Then if you have a pro subscription, then you can add the watermark there and stuff. Then you just create your video. Now this part takes, depending on the size of video, it takes quite a while, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. But while it's rendering, you can still go and create another video. So I'll come back to you in a few minutes once this video's all ready to show. I hope you like what you've seen so far, and I'll be back in just a few minutes. Bye. So welcome back guys to this video reviewing Viddyoze. So as you can see, the video is complete. The video automatically downloads to your laptop or PC, whatever you're using. Then we just click on it and we have a look. And that's it. Pretty simple, easy to use. It didn't even take me 5 minutes to create that video. I mean, like I said, once you're done, you want to create a next video. You can create another video while that one, the previous one, is still being rendered. Like I say, there's tons and tons of stuff here to choose from. I mean, it's crazy. If we just go to the sales page, we can see a bit more. So the company is it's a UK based company, I think in the northeast of England, I think. So Viddyoze, like it says, create breathtaking animations in 3 clicks, the world's easiest fully auto video animation software. I mean, it couldn't be easier really. I mean, I know nothing about making videos or animation and stuff, so this tool is really fantastic. It's fully automated, 170 plus professional templates, 100% cloud-based, so there's no need to install anything. Already they have over 100,000 users. There's some of the customer reviews. Everybody's saying that it's very good. I mean, the stuff you can do with this software would really take your small business or your YouTube channel with stunning intros, outros, some other stuff you can do. You can put text in the video as well, movie filters. I mean, it's just crazy. I mean, I really love this product. Brilliant for beginners. I mean, if I keep repeating myself, I apologize, but I just want to get the point across that it's so easy to use. I mean, like I said, I only got the software yesterday, and already I have 2 videos up on my Facebook channel, Facebook page. So they have 2 payment options. You can take the personal or business. Let's just scroll down to where it is. I mean, as you can see, it gives you all the info here on the sales page. I mean, it's amazing software. You can use it on your mobile, you can use it on laptop, Mac. It's compatible with all. You get a commercial license as well, so it's very good. So then you can even sell your videos. So if you're a freelancer, you can sell your work on Fiverr, Upwork, all those different websites, and you will really easily build a customer base with these videos that you create here. Of course, if you're not happy with it, it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, but I'm sure anybody who purchases this will be happy with the software. Today, if you sign up, you get bonus. This reverse sales tells you how to sell your videos, how you can have local businesses beginning to sell to, all that stuff. This is worth almost $200. They're giving it for you for free. If you're a YouTuber, you're getting this YouTube Profits Elevator, also worth almost $100. So there, the training content is worth $300, and you're getting it free when you purchase Viddyoze. So here is the Viddyoze Personal. So you get access to live action video engine, including all features. You get 30 renders per month, unlimited usage rights on personal videos, 170 professional templates, 60-day money-back guarantee, and superstar support. So for that, it's a $77 one-time payment. So if you're just a small YouTuber like myself and you want this, it's definitely a good option. But bear in mind, if you want to make a lot of videos, it's only going to give you 30 per month. So the Viddyoze commercial is $97 one-time payment, and this is the one I would definitely go for. You get access to everything: your YouTube accelerator, the reverse sales method, that $300 worth of bonuses included for $97. So I mean, for an extra $20 to get all this extra stuff, I would definitely go for that. That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Please, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll post more videos on products that excuse me, that I review. And please don't forget to hit the like button, and I hope you love this product as much as I did. I'll leave all the links and stuff you can get to in the description below. Once again, I think you'll be very, very satisfied with this product, especially if you're a beginner or a small business looking to grow your video advertising business or your YouTube channel. Anyway, thank you again for watching. I hope to see you all again soon. Take care. Bye.